I just finished preparing for my son to go to crèche. It was raining. Yeah, they are walking to crèche now. Hopefully the rain won't catch them on the way. Like, I'm just crossing my fingers. But it seems like it has stopped raining. So today has to be productive. I need to catch up on my printing orders and clean my room, because I haven't really had a chance to clean my room in like forever. So yeah guys, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment, share the channel so that we can grow. Yeah guys, let me just take a nap and then we'll catch you guys when I'm now cleaning my room or having breakfast. I don't know, we will see. Okay, so it's eggs, feta cheese and mayonnaise, and bread obviously. That's my breakfast in bed. That's the time now. It's 9:24. We're currently experiencing load shedding, so I think the electricity will come back at 10.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw.
I know this looks like a mess, but this is noodles, feta cheese and egg and mayonnaise. Yeah, that's my lunch. It's so gloomy. It's so gloomy. I'm on my way to go and fetch my son from crèche. Yeah, today I was off, so I just needed him to go to crèche. I think it's like 3:15. Normally they fetch him at 4, but I was like, okay, let me fetch him a little bit early today. And yeah man, yeah, I was off today. I thought I would have a productive day, but what a lazy day. I didn't even do what I was supposed to do. I didn't even print out the t-shirts that I was supposed to print, and I think I'm having load shedding at 4, coming at 6, so I don't know. Obviously I am rocking my Kawegazi hoodie. Thank you. Hello. Bye. Say bye. Hello. Sam. Hello. Even Johnny Crash. Eh? Yeah? How was Crash? Huh? Let's go home. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Sam. Bye-bye. Betty. Hello. I'm so glad he's adjusting very well, I think, because he was okay. I'm worried because he was sitting alone now, not playing with other kids, but at least he wasn't crying. Yeah, this I always worry how he's gonna make friends. Is he gonna be a loner? All those type of things. But he seems happy. I don't know what he's saying, but okay. How was crèche? Is it nice? You enjoy crèche? I do. What is that? What is that? Yeah, he's a little bit crusty. I think it's because of his flu, and they don't really apply Vaseline on his face. But overall, I'm happy because he's no longer that sick. He doesn't really cry. The fact that I found him playing, even though he was playing alone, but at least he wasn't crying. Yeah, I'm always worried, man. Like, is my baby gonna adjust? How is he adjusting and all that? But he seems fine. So just wanna get home, get him food, because he's always hungry. My mom is saying he's always hungry. This is the first time I'm collecting him from crèche, but my mom is always saying after crèche he's always hungry. So I'm gonna prepare food for him. You heavy. Prepare food for him, and give him his tablet to watch his cartoons. Then he's gonna be a happy chappy. Bye. Bye. We're home. The little ninja is watching his cartoons. I just wanna try and work. It's got to 4. I think I'm having load shedding at 4. I'm not quite sure. So I just wanna try and do some work on the laptop, just some draft work, so that even if there's load shedding, I can try and draft the artwork that I want to print on, and then as soon as the electricity comes, I print out the stuff, and then later on at night I will heat press the t-shirts. But I'm not quite sure. There are some t-shirts that I'm gonna print. Yeah, guys, it's winter. You need to have some kawekazi wear match. So yeah, guys, don't I look cute? My skin is skinning. But brown skin girls, his skin like pearls.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number 1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I'm ringing up the show on the low.
Let's be honest, guys, my skin is skinning. My skin is skinning. Okay, so my cousin got me these masks. So I don't know if I'm gonna have a self-care moment today or not, but and she got me a candle. She got me a candle. How sweet of her. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna relax. I'll vlog when I'm doing my cuttings and printing the t-shirts, but otherwise there's nothing to do. There's load shedding, yeah, which is, yeah guys, the struggles of running a business, of running a small business. Yeah, because now we depend on the electricity. We cannot afford, I cannot afford personally, I cannot afford a generator at the moment. So my business is ring, because now sometimes I can't even take some orders because I'm scared I won't get them printed on time because of this load shedding. I have a 9 to 5 job, so my job is very demanding, and most of the time when I come at home from work, electricity will be gone, and the time the electricity comes back, I'll be fast asleep. So yeah, that's a little bit of a challenge. This load shedding is really killing us as small businesses.
Feeling bad man, me I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me.
How it gas, how it